BASF, the world's leading chemical company, was founded in Germany in 1865. One of BASF's most celebrated breakthroughs was the discovery in 1913 of a way to mass-produce fertilizer, which helped to eliminate mass hunger. The real innovation of the Haber-Bosch process, named after the two scientists who won Nobel Prizes for it, was not just converting nitrogen and hydrogen into ammonia, but doing so on an industrial scale. BASF began operation in Indonesia in 1976 with the incorporation of PT BASF Indonesia Magnetics. We started production of magnetic tapes, compact cassettes and inorganic pigments in 1977. The magnetic tape factory in Cengkareng, Indonesia, was one of the 5 BASF tape factories in the world and the first in Asia. BASF audio cassettes enjoyed the trust of the Indonesian recording companies for taping of voices of top Indonesian and Western artists. In 1986, we erected a factory unit for the production of technical specialities to cover the needs of oil drilling companies in Indonesia and neighboring countries by producing tailor-made products. The 1990s was an era of change for us. After years of importing and marketing animal nutrition supplements in the country, we started to produce vitamin concentrates and vitamin premixes under the trade name Lutavid in 1990. This investment was designed to change BASF Indonesia's role from an importer to a direct business partner for the animal nutrition industry. In the same year, a new polymer dispersion plant was established in Cengkareng to produce polymer dispersion for architectural coatings, construction chemicals, adhesives, colorant packaging and printing. Cengkareng is the site where BASF built its first polymer dispersion plant in Asia Pacific, and today it remains as BASF's biggest fully owned dispersion plant in the region. The 21st century is an exciting phase in BASF Indonesia's development. In 2006, we further tapped into the construction chemicals market with the addition of our Cikarang site, and 2 years later, in 2008, we strengthened our position in paper chemicals, plastics, coatings, mining, water treatment, and home care industries through our Merak site. The care chemicals, nutrition and health, and functional products portfolio were further strengthened in 2011 through the addition of our Cimanggis site. BASF's corporate purpose is to create chemistry for a sustainable future. And that is why we have invested and will continue to invest in a large amount of resources and efforts in research and development to ensure the most efficient resources are used to build a sustainable future for long-term business success. In Indonesia, we have technical centers and laboratories in our Cengkareng, Cikarang and Cimanggis sites to provide support for new product launches, product modifications and technical applications in the country, as well as for ASEAN. At BASF, we combine economic success with environmental protection and social responsibility. We act in a responsible manner and support responsible care, an initiative by the chemicals industry to drive continuous improvement in the areas of environment, health and safety. All our 4 sites in Indonesia are recipients of the Responsible Care Indonesia Gold Award, which recognizes companies that excel in the implementation of the Responsible Care Code management practices. In 2015, our Cengkareng site received an excellent award for environmental management compliance and performance from the Governor of Jakarta for our wastewater treatment facility, which strives to minimize potential environmental and health risks for a more sustainable future. As BASF Indonesia celebrates our 40 years of presence and investment in the country in 2016, we have reached out to our different stakeholders in the country to celebrate this milestone with them. They include our employees, our community, as well as our customers and business partners.
As BASF celebrates our 40 years of growth together with Indonesia, we look back with pride on how we have worked closely with our customers to jointly develop new solutions and technology, as well as supported the communities around us to improve the quality of life for them. Employees are our other key stakeholder and our most valuable asset. Our success and achievement would not have been possible without their support. I take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues in BASF Indonesia for your continued dedication, commitment, and passion. I am convinced that you will continue to play your role in contributing to the success of the company.
I joined BASF Indonesia in 2013 under the Grow ASEAN trainee program. As a trainee, I went through an on-the-job rotation and had the opportunity to work in company's various divisions. Working with BASF enabled me to widen my exposure and also given me the opportunity to work with very passionate colleagues from different backgrounds. This enabled me to continue learning and developing my personal and professional skills.
Yang saya suka dari BASF adalah komitmen terhadap keselamatan dan kami tidak pernah berkompromi terhadap keselamatan. Kami diajarkan bahwa setiap karyawan bisa menjadi seorang safety champion dan menjadi panutan dalam memperhatikan keselamatan diri sendiri dan rekan lainnya. Kami angkat bicara ketika menemukan kesalahan yang membahayakan keselamatan dan bergabung bersama sebagai sebuah tim untuk meningkatkan keselamatan.
After 25 years with the company, I can say that BASF is a great place to work. The company puts a lot of emphasis on developing its employees and encouraging open communication among employees. I was very fortunate to be a part of the team that started the polymer dispersion plant in Cengkareng back in the 90s, and in 2014 I was assigned to lead the startup operation of BASF polymer dispersion plant in Pasir Gudang in Malaysia. BASF has helped to bring my career to greater heights, and I'm happy to be part of the BASF family in Indonesia.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you, our valued customers and business partners, for your continued support. I look forward to building an even stronger and deeper partnership with you in the future as BASF Indonesia continues to grow into greater heights. Let's look forward to many more successful years in our partnership. Terima kasih.
BASF. We create chemistry.